Hello Internet. Today we have this EVGA 3090, the nastiest 3090 I've ever seen. Most of the screws are missing, which makes it easier to disassemble, so let's take it apart and look under the hood and see what kind of repairs I get from my beloved viewers.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now. This is cancer. This is so much cancer that I can feel the tumors growing on my back. And it's way down heavy on me, and it's not okay.
I think we've seen enough. I will take the heatsink apart so I can give it a proper cleaning and start cleaning, I guess. Maybe I'll earn a like doing so. Who knows? I think this looks better than it was anyway, so I'll assemble the heatsink while the board dries. And then using a short finder, I'll go over all the power rails to make sure that there are no shorts anywhere, and everything's looking good. It is now safe to power the board and check for voltages, which appear to be present, so let's plug this thing into a computer and see if it outputs a picture. No picture? No problem. I'll just plug the HDMI cable into the motherboard so we bypass the GPU and run the memory test that way. Mod says we have a problem with A1, so let's replace A1 and see if that helps. Okay, chip is replaced. Let's double check for shorts and try to run a memory test one more time, which, as you can see, complains about the exact same channel. And that means only one thing. We need to reball the core. So let's reball the core. As you may have noticed, the reason for errors were a couple of ripped pads under the core that connect direct to the memory chip. And with that fixed, let's check for shorts again, and after reball, sometimes I like to check the data lines using this tester, which revealed a missing connection somewhere, so let's investigate. On the back side, I found damage traces, so let's fix that and try again. Check is now passed, so let's power this thing on and see if we get a picture. And as you can see, for some reason it takes a while to get a picture. Once booted and drivers installed, screen went black, and I think I know why. The cable, ladies and gentlemen. I think the longer cable prevents the data travel fast enough, so I am forced to use provided cable that came with the riser. Which makes me wonder, does using ribbon type risers hinder the GPU performance? I think it should, but I don't know. Not yet anyway. In any case, the card seems to work, so I went ahead and put everything back together with new pads, and it runs like new. That will be it for this 3090, and if you ever need one fixed, please contact me somehow. I'll do my best. And goodbye.
Guys, check out my favorite channel. It is so good. Oh my god. Look at it.